Dubai is a city built on calm seas. But what if the ocean suddenly turned against it?
The Persian Gulf looks quiet, almost harmless.
Billions of tons of water are suddenly displaced.
Far below the ocean floor, the Earth releases enormous energy. A tsunami begins moving toward Dubai. Life in Dubai continues as normal.
Then something strange happens. The sea retreats without warning. This is the ocean gathering its force. The wave begins to rise. The Palm is hit first.
Artificial islands offer no protection.
The city's main arteries disappear.
Even vertical cities are vulnerable.
Public transportation collapses within minutes. Power grids fail across the city.
Air travel comes to a complete stop. Tourism vanishes instantly.
Rescue becomes extremely difficult.
Dubai becomes an island of survival.
Environmental damage spreads rapidly.
When the water stops moving, the real disaster begins.
Dubai's economy freezes.
Clean water becomes the most valuable resource.
Hundreds of thousands are displaced.
Recovery will take years.
The coastline itself has changed.
I pray to exclusively bring the containers up.
The city begins rebuilding. Dubai survives, but is never the same.
The ocean is silent until it decides not to be.